You literally checked the fridge 10 seconds ago, so why are you back? Believe it or not, your brain isn't always looking for food. Sometimes you're actually looking for a new idea, a distraction, or simply acting out of habit. When you're bored or mentally tired, your brain searches for a quick reward. Opening the fridge gives your brain a tiny burst of curiosity, even if you're not hungry. That's why you stare inside, then close it without taking anything. Be honest, how many times have you done this today? Comment the number and subscribe for more amazing facts.